Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. Before I proceed, I would like to show you something. Gold USD drops to 1786.84 support zone as USD hits fresh 20-year high, and this was the main reason why we saw a massive sell-off on gold USD, Euro USD, and other pairs. So my dear friends, US dollar is flying again as we discussed yesterday. And this is the 4 hour chart of DXY, and right now you can see that market is trading at 106.54. This is the 106.54 level. Massive. Okay. And right now we do not have any immediate resistance. Yes, we do not have any immediate resistance. And as you can see that after some consolidation, market is trying to go up again. And if we just try to understand this behavior of the market, then we can see that it looks like a flag pattern, bullish flag pattern as well. So if this is a truly bullish flag pattern, then obviously we will see DXY flying again after some time. And as I just said, that we do not have any immediate resistance also. So things are very critical right now. If I take you to the daily chart of DXY, then you can see that the next resistance for DXY is at 109 level. Daily chart is not doing the job. We need to go to a monthly chart. See, around this level we can expect some sort of resistance, but is this a good one? No. Is this a strong resistance? No. So DXY looks unstoppable, and as we all know that the pairs will be under pressure, will remain under pressure as well. So as a result, there is no denial of the fact that dollar is extremely bullish. So as a result, our position on gold should be bearish or on the selling side. Okay, and if you're looking for buy positions, then you must be very careful. I'll be discussing one by one right now. Right now I'm in the daily chart. Yes, usually I always try to discuss. Okay, I prefer the 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, but for proper levels I have switched to the daily time frame for gold. Okay, the current market price for gold is 1768. Right now gold is trading here. So if gold tries to recover, then around 1780 level, okay, around 1780 level, listen to me carefully, around 1780 level gold may face some sort of resistance. If you look at the chart, then you won't find anything, but keep in mind 1780 was the previous support. It was the previous support, and the previous support will now be acting as a resistance. I'm not saying it is a very strong resistance, but yes, if under this circumstance 1780 will also try to reverse the upward trend of gold. Okay, so if gold tries to recover, first resistance will be 1780. If it reverses from there, you can take a sell position, but not a very reliable level. The strong resistance as of now in front of us is 1800 level. Again, why 1800? Because 1800 again, it was the previous support which will be acting as the new resistance. Again, it was also the psychological support as well. So overall it was a support which will be doing the job of resistance right now. Okay, 1780 is a minor resistance as of now. Clear? So overall you should be bearish as long as we do not have anything positive regarding gold. As long as we do not have anything positive fundamentally, you should be following the trend of the market to be on the safer side. And I have already shown you the chart of dollar, and we have already discussed in detail in our previous videos. So this is your job if market goes up. Okay, and in case market goes down, then we have three some important levels on the chart of gold as of now. First important level is 1755 to 1750. Keep in mind, I'm in the daily time frame right now. You can see that 1755 is a support here, and if you have been trading on gold for quite some time, then you will be knowing it very well that at one point 1750 was also an important support. Okay, so as a result, 1755 to 1750 is a support for the market. So if gold comes down to this level, we can expect some sort of bounce. Listen to me carefully. I am not talking about trend reversal, but yes, there is a possibility that gold will be bouncing and you can expect a profit of 30-40 pips. If you want to take the trade, you can go on with the trade. But in case as the day proceeds, if we see heavy selling, in case there is a heavy selling in the market, and if you find gold breaking 1750 level, then you can also take a sell position. You can take a sell position below 1750, and your ultimate target should be around 1730 to 1725, because that is the next support. It will be a huge drop again. Okay, 1730 to 1725 is the next support if gold breaks 1750 level, and there is a high chance, okay, if the same pattern continues in the market, there is a possibility that 1720 will be able to hold the market, because in my experience in last couple of months and years, I have seen 1720 working as a very good support, and from there should be some sort of a good bounce and we can go for a buy as well. Okay, but whatever you do, this is market does not listen to anyone, but we must be protecting our capital. Protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So please follow risk management each and every time. Okay, so again, listen to me carefully. If market goes up from here, 1780 may act as the first resistance, but is a very minor. We cannot trust this, but overall we can expect market to reverse from 1800 level. If market reverses, if we see market reversing from 1800 level, if we see price rejection from 1800 level, we can take a sell position if market recovers from this price position. Okay, and in case market starts falling again, because see DXY, okay, DXY is forming a kind of a flag pattern here, and on the, if you look at the chart of gold, then we can see a bullish flag pattern here. So there is a high chance that we may see further downside on the chart of gold as well. Okay, so if market falls, then the next support for gold is 1755 to 1750 level. Okay, but this is not a very strong level. The strongest support, if you ask me what is our strongest support here, the strongest support as of now on the chart of gold is 1725 to 1720 and 1680 level. These two are the strongest support where we can take a buy and we can expect a good profit. As of now, market is critical. Dollar is at 20th high, so be careful. Protect your hard-earned money and do not gamble. Do not gamble. Okay, if you do not have money right now, do not go and borrow some money and start trading. Okay, this is not a way to trade. Be a trader. Bye bye. Take care.